In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Brave Browser. We're going to set up exactly what you see when Brave opens, so your browsing starts the way you want every time. This is quick to do, and once you set it, you can forget it or tweak it anytime. First, open Brave and click the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called On Startup. This is where you decide what Brave shows when it launches or when you open a new window. You'll see three choices. The first option is Open the new tab page. This gives you Brave's default dashboard, a clean, fast page with handy elements like your top sites and a streamlined background. If you prefer a distraction-free start, or you like keeping things minimal and quick, this is a great pick. It's also the most lightweight choice if you want Brave to open instantly. The second option is Continue where you left off. Choose this if you want. Brave to resume your previous session with the same tabs you had open last time. It's ideal if you're in the middle of projects or you regularly pick up the same research or work. Keep in mind that private windows won't be restored, and if you tend to leave dozens of tabs open, it can take a little longer to get going. Still, it's very convenient for uninterrupted workflows. The third option is Open a specific page or set of pages. This lets you create your own custom start lineup. Click to add URLs, then copy and paste the full addresses of the sites that you want to open automatically. You can include more than one, maybe your email, a dashboard, and a news site, so they all appear the moment Brave starts. Make sure each URL is complete so it loads correctly, and keep your list focused so startup stays fast. This setup is perfect if you have a consistent routine or specific resources you need every day. Whichever option you choose, your change takes effect right away, and you can come back to the On Startup section anytime to adjust it. None of these choices affect your bookmarks or privacy settings. They simply control what appears at launch. If you work on multiple devices, remember that this is a per-device preference. So set it the way you like on each one. That's it, simple, flexible, and tailored to how you browse. Go ahead and pick the option that matches your workflow, and enjoy a smoother start every time you open Brave.